Alright, this is a problem on number basis. It says 1, 2, 3 in base 2x minus 3 is equal to 313 in base x, and that we should find x. Now, for us to solve this, we expand this left hand side as if we're converting it to base 10, and then we also expand this right hand side as if when converting it to base 10. So because when we convert this to base 10, we're also going to get the same value as when we convert this to base 10. So we'll be converting this to base 10 and also converting this to base 10 in order to find x. So in doing this, when converting this to base 10, this is giving power 0. Starting from the right hand side, you number from 0 to the left hand side. This is giving power 1 and this is giving power 2. Then on this side too, this is giving power 0. This one is giving power 1 and 3 is giving power 2. So we are going to expand now and convert it to base 10. So this becomes 1, this number here, multiplied by the base, which is 2x minus 2, all raised to this power that one has here, which is power 2. So raised to the power 2. Then we add it to 2 here, multiplied by the base, which is 2x minus 2, all raised to the power 1, the one that we have here. Then added to the 3, that's the last digit there, multiplied by the base, which is 2x minus 2, all raised to the power 0, which is this 0 here. And that should be equal to the right hand side now, 3 multiplied by the base, which is x, all raised to the power 2 here, plus 1 multiplied by the base x, all raised to the power 1 here, the 1 as the power up. Then finally plus this 3 here, multiplied by the base x, all raised to the power 0. So that is the expansion. So we are now going to simplify. So 1 multiplied by this will still be equal to this. This raised to power 2 means it is multiplying itself. So I can write it as 2x minus 2 multiplied by itself, that is raised to power 2, means it is multiplying itself, 2x minus 2. Then plus these 2 multiplied by this raised to power 1 remains 2x minus 2 because of the power is 1. So 2x minus 2 raised to power 1 remains 2x minus 2. So 2 multiplied by this, we are going to use it to expand the bracket now. Becomes 2 multiplied by 2x will give us 4x. 2 multiplied by negative 2 will give us negative 4. So we are through with this. Then the next one is 3 raised to power 0 is 1. Sorry, 2x minus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. So everything here, whatever it is, as it is raised to power 0, it is 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 will give us the plus that is here, this plus. 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3. So that is the left hand side. And that will be equal to, let's move to the right hand side now. X squared, this is 3 multiplied by x squared. That will give us 3x squared. Then 1 multiplied by x raised to power 1 is x. Then 1 multiplied by x is x. Don't forget the plus sign there, plus x. Then x raised to power 0 is also 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 remains 3. So the plus sign is there, the addition sign. And then 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So we are now moving on. So let's come back to the left hand side again. For us to expand this, it's going to be 2x multiplied by 2x, and that will give us 4x squared. Then 2x multiplied by negative 2, that will give us negative 4x. Then negative, we have used this 2 now, this 2x to multiply the 2 terms inside this bracket, and we have this. Then I will take the negative 2 to multiply the 2 terms again. So negative 2 multiplied by 2x will give us negative 4x. Then negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 will give us positive 4. Then so that is the expansion of the bracket. Then this positive 4 here, 4x becomes 4x. Negative 4, that is minus 4. Then plus 3. And that will be equal to the right hand side, 3x squared plus x plus 3. So that is how it is going now. Then let's simplify again further. Coming to the left hand side now, 4x squared, 4x squared, and this is 3x squared. So let me bring this 3x squared on the right hand side to meet the 4x squared, like collecting like terms now. So 4x squared, when this positive 3x comes to this side, it becomes negative 3x. Then this is negative 4 and negative 4. Let me write it as negative 8x. So negative 4, negative 4x. Negative 4x give me negative 8x. Then this is positive 4. Let me write it close to the x here. So it becomes plus 4x. Then I have another x term on the right hand side. I'll bring it to this side. It becomes negative x. So I have all the x terms together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me take the constant terms. Sorry, this is 3x squared. Don't forget. Let me take the constant terms. I have the first one is positive 4. Let me write it here. Positive 4. This is it. Negative 4. Positive 3. And then this is positive 3. If it comes to this side, it becomes negative 3. And that will be equal to 0. I am equating everything to 0 because it's going to give me a quadratic equation. That is an equation of the power 2 is quadratic equation. So to solve quadratic equation, I have to equate it to 0. That is why I've taken everything to the left hand side in order to equate it to 0. Now, the next thing for me to do is to add the like terms. So 4x squared minus 3x squared, I have 3x squared. I have x squared. Negative 8x plus 4x, that will give me negative 4x. Then minus x will give me negative 5x. Then I have 4 minus 4, which is 0, plus 3, which is 3, minus 3, which is 0. So the constant terms all together give me 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So all this becomes 0. Then I have is equal to the 0 on the right hand side. So in order to solve this now, I have a quadratic equation. So what I just need to do is to factorize or to factor this. So what is common to them is x. So I bring out x and I open up bracket. X squared divided by x, I have x as inside the bracket. Then the negative sign is here. 5x divided by x, I'm left with 5. And that will be equal to 0. So now I have to equate each of the term here to 0 in order to solve the quadratic equation. So I equate x to 0. It becomes x is equal to 0. And then I take this other part and equate it to 0. I have x minus 5 is equal to 0. So if this negative 5 goes to the other side, it becomes a positive 5. So I have x is equal to positive 5. Now, x cannot be 0 because coming back to the base, if we check very well, this is the base x. So we cannot have any number in base 0. So x cannot be 0. So 0 cannot be our answer here that we have. So it's not possible for x to be 0. So the correct answer should be x is equal to 5. So this is the final answer. So please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos like this as I explain very important mathematical skills. And please don't forget to comment or ask any question in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.